Hello guys, today I'm very excited because I just received this new Amazon Kindle Scribe cover. It's very practical for your Kindle, and it's a must-have if you have one because it's very easy to use. You just use the magnets that it comes with your Kindle and put it into these sockets like this, and it holds pretty well. Another feature that I like is that you can stand your Kindle with this back panel. You put it like that, and once again with the magnets, it's hold it, so you don't need to have the Kindle on your hands when you're reading. If you're busy, if you're, I don't know, cooking, you can leave it on the countertop and just come with your, gonna switch the page, press it, and you get to do what you were doing. Another feature that I like is that, as you know, the Kindle Scribe supports the pen, so you can have easy access to the pen. It leaves a space where you can put the pen, so it's perfect. And if you close it, you can still reach the pen because it has this space that it does not interfere with the cover. So I think it's pretty perfect. And also, it has this space, so when you're not using the Kindle anymore, you can just put your pen right there, and it's ready to pack, it's ready to go. I like that it's very neat. I like the colors a lot, and I will totally recommend it. I use it a lot. I like it.